tons of comments on Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, and other social media sites. In this video, I'm going to present the correct answer. We can solve for the correct answer using the order of operations. These are commonly remembered as PEMDAS or BODMAS, and these are a precedence of how we evaluate operations. This will be parentheses brackets, exponents orders, multiplication division, and addition subtraction. Furthermore, if you have operations of the same precedence, you should evaluate them from left to right. The first part of this expression has no controversy. There's a parenthetical expression that needs to get evaluated first. We have 9 plus 3 in parentheses. So we evaluate 9 plus 3 to get 12. Now there's a question of what to do next. If you input this expression into any scientific calculator, you will see that it will interpret this 2 parentheses 12 as an implicit multiplication. So we need to convert this parentheses into an implicit multiplication of 2 times 12. We now continue with the order of operations. We have a division and a multiplication. As we have operations of the same precedence, we should evaluate them from left to right. So we take 48 divided by 2, and that gets us to 24. And now we have a final expression of a multiplication, which is 24 times 12, and that is equal to the correct answer of 288. This is without a doubt the correct answer to this expression according to the modern interpretation of the order of operations. So why is there so much controversy about this problem? Well, let's return to the expression. It turns out the order of operations did historically have an exception. I found a math paper in 1917 that noted a special exception using the division symbol. This may have been used in school for many more years, and some of you may have even learned under this rule. So when we go under this interpretation, we still start out the same way. We have a parenthetical expression, 9 plus 3, and we evaluate that first. So this becomes 12. The question is what to do next. So historically, there was some usage that if you use this division symbol, you would divide everything on the left by everything on the right. Textbooks may have written x divided by 2y to mean x divided by the quantity 2y. As you can see, in terms of typesetting, it would have been much easier to write x division symbol 2y rather than writing the slash and then parentheses around the 2y. You would end up writing a lot of slashes and a lot of parentheses. It wouldn't be very easy to read, and so it would have been much more convenient to write x division symbol 2y, and just everyone would understand that 2y is grouped together. So if you were to use this historical interpretation, how would we evaluate our expression? Using this special rule, we have something on the left, which is 48, and something on the right, which is 2 parentheses 12. So if we group the terms on the left and the right, we then have 48 over 2 times 12. We now simplify the denominator, which has a multiplication. 2 times 12 will be equal to 24. And then we finish out 48 divided by 24, which is equal to 2. So this would have been considered the correct answer historically using the kind of inline typesetting of the division symbol. Nowadays, we don't use this, and you can see that calculators don't evaluate the expression this way. So the correct answer under the modern interpretation is 288. Did you get that answer? Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel.